It's the season to be jolly, guys! Christmas is here and you know what that means. Presents and even better, delicious Christmas food. But what if you have to make something a little extra special for the holidays? Well, lucky for us, Chef Gerick Manalo is back to teach us a delicious food recipe that will have your taste buds cry out, Hallelujah! Hello everyone, my name is Arambulo-Antonio and welcome back to PHirst at Home. Welcome back to PHirst at Home, and we're back with another round of cooking with Chef
Gerick. Yes, it's very nice to see you again, Miss Kat. How are you?
It's great, and we are going to be cooking salted egg shrimp pasta.
So the first thing that we're gonna do is to preheat our pan.
Okay.
And then the first ingredient that we'll be using is butter. Okay, so we're just gonna use a 1/4 of this butter stick. So now we just have to be really careful dahil pure butter yung gagamitin natin. So basically, the base of this one is butter, garlic, and the salted egg yolk. Just be careful lang dun sa garlic. Try not to overcook it.
Okay.
Because it will affect the color. If you see lang medyo parang translucent yung color nung garlic natin. Yun, pwede na tayong maglagay ng shrimp. So yan, this shrimp is peeled and deveined.
Okay, great.
So that means natanggal na yung shell niya and yung veins niya.
And it's ready to go.
Yes. Okay.
This is like a really, really easy and simple dish to do, which I think even I can do this at home.
Yes. You will know if your shrimp is done, if it's curled perfectly.
Okay.
Like parang something like this, yes. Set this aside first.
Okay.
And now we will do the sauce of the pasta. We will be needing more butter.
That's a lot of butter.
And then we will now add in our
salted
egg yolks. So, i-ano lang natin siya. Whisk. Just to break it apart. Egg yolk is pure fat. So, kaya siya nagiging ganito, nagbabubble siya. Dahil sumasama rin siya dun sa butter, which is also fat. And we will now add a little bit of pepper.
Wow.
And then, can you pour the evaporated milk for me?
Evaporated milk.
Yan.
Why evaporated milk? Why not regular milk?
Evaporated milk kasi mas mataas yung flavor content. It's not that processed. And then we will now add in our basil leaves. And then our shrimp back.
Back. Ang bilis nito.
Ganun lang siya.
This is the kind of recipe that you want in your house all the time.
So we'll now drop the pasta.
So you mix it in na pala?
Yes.
Okay.
First we will toss it just to evenly coat the pasta.
Yeah.
Just allow it to cover generously the pasta.
So simple.
So we're ready to plate. Yes.
Are you guys ready? Because this is it. This is
Alright, 1, 2, 3, go. Good. Panalo, di ba, Miss Kat?
You guys have to try this at home.
And the shrimp, just check out how juicy it is.
No, and it's textured. It's so. So this is perfect for when you have guests at home.
Yes.
If you want to impress anyone, or if you want to just, serve and entertain. And while we're enjoying this delicious food, you can go check out our complete recipe on our Facebook page.